So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. You're going to go channel for leadership opportunities and career tips. So today we have brought a very wonderful opportunity from the HPE, which is for the role of software engineering, and this role, as they have mentioned, is of hybrid. I mean, minimum 2 days you have to, I mean, max 2 days you have to go to the office, and there's 3 days you can work from your comfort of your home. So this is basically into the field of network engineering, sonic testing, etc. So if you are someone with a background in all these kind of domains, then you are eligible for these opportunities. Now let's understand a little bit about the company before going into the more into the responsibilities, roles, and all that. So HP is one of the biggest global ACE to cloud tech company. They work on data, cloud, networking, AI security, everything enterprise needs to run fast and smart. So if you are looking for growth plus top knock exposures, hybrid work, then this is going to be your solid opportunities. So as I mentioned, the role is of a software engineer into SONiC testing field. So, and it is based out of Bangalore locations with a hybrid 2 days, as I already mentioned, per week in office and rest of the 3 days from the home. So, in this role, you will be working on validating, testing Sonic-based network operating systems on Broadcom switching platforms. Along with that, you will also be doing, for example, validation of L2L3 features like BGP, OSPF, VXLAN, EVPN, QN, and so many things that I mentioned over here. As you can see, you can just go through these roles and responsibilities once, and then if you feel eligible for this opportunity, do apply for this role because it's a wonderful opportunity, and HP is one of the top company, top product based company, to be honest. And also you'll get to work with SAI switch abstraction testing, automation test using Python plus robot framework and all that. Or you also be involved into contributing to open source Sony community. Plus, you'll work with traffic generations like Sprint, IX network, etc. So this is a hardcore networking plus automation kind of role, granting engineers looking to. It is especially for the I would say especially for the engineers who is looking to grow into cloud and data center networking field. So who and all can apply it? So anyone with a bachelor degree and around 2 to 3 years or 2 to 4 years of experience into the field of network software and hardware testing can apply for these opportunities. Along with that, you should also have the strong knowledge of, if you are having strong knowledge of L2L3 protocol switching, routing, Sonic, FRR, Redis, plus Python, Docker, automation knowledge, then you are eligible for these opportunities. Plus, so you should also have the understanding or basic experience into the field of Git, Jenkins, and Docker, and plus debugging and documentation skill as well. And if you are having knowledge of SDKs like OpenNSL, SDKLT, then it is going to be a added advantage for you. So these are a lot about the requirements and for this from this opportunity. So if you fit into this role, go check it out. We have mentioned a direct link for this job in the description. Check it out and apply as soon as possible because this type of jobs ends faster. So yeah, and also let's discuss what HP offers. So once you join the company, so it has one of the biggest facilities in the world. So they offer full health wellness benefit, hybrid work culture, career development programs, inclusion focused oriented workplace. Along with that, you also get the global team exposure with a strong work life balances. So they truly invest in employee growth. So it's again going to be a great company to invest yourself and grow with the company. So yeah, that's it for these opportunities. If you found this job update helpful, hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for daily job alerts. See you in the next one.